Without Africa, these people cannot survive. If Africa will open and come together and say we want to develop our own land, our own resources, we want to manage our own finances, our own resources, Africa will be better than Europe because we have everything. If not slavery, and then France for pay, then America for pay, why wouldn't they leave them to develop themselves? Did they seek for your help? No. They are doing it on their own. You say you don't like it. So the other time I can say France is doing everything possible to overthrow and eliminate Traore. And it's coming from France. Africa must come together. The military of Africa, they must come together, leave everything aside and protect Traore.
Usia se uba abibimem Africa ha na se uboku so anke ade a abibima yempese ya so beti ne cry for say ku eyade bia anya de pa amfama abibim na so Burkina President Mohamed Traore de wodi ku na atu ade eye enepe so a e kama ya se ne ku na wo ye no abibim mama pinifo na dodo na na ebo na baso asofo so ebo na baso bi kra e kyerese se sei na ku tie de ene ka wo nyina e de wo bedi firi se abra wo ye ku e de tu abaya na ewo so Burkina so se abaya ne dwuma bi a wodi no enya ade e bebo wo man no eguye na ono akasa ne so jaba be fa wo man Burkina di so ye nyina ye hu empuntu dwuma wo ye e wo Burkina ho na e kame ye se obi nim se Africa ha na abrofo no omo pe ye yi o se sei e na ti o firi se Burkina president e ye ku e bedi ade ene attempt upon attempt so be papa e fi ho nti ye bedi ho komo ne se uyo bi a utai di machi our platform yi so a wo se me ne prophet Bosheba etadwetwe komo pa yi na wo so for ba ko bi a wo share Burkina Faso president no e honko na wo ka se ku na ebi kan ba ye de eno ye nketuom ifofo be san ba ampa fofo no na asan aba no enti ene men sa kan wo studio ha ye bi sa ne se we no e prophecy fulfillment a what next why Africa e de yi na abofo wo mo hu Africa ha enu nti wo mo so se president bi e kam ye se obepie e wo Africa na obepe Africa kan kono wo mo bepe se omoyi no e de efiri ho e bo so ya too much GH and woni guso a wo hwi message so be me subscribe button so now de bell no aka ho so no upload bi atuma wo the first person ya wo sa e bi kan akabi kan ho e ne ma prophet Bosheba akwaba odi from akwaba
Me da se me ne ba
papa bibi aboko
adom ene homo bro
two piece right you see the nyaba
God bless you. God bless you.
Burkina president. $5 million offered. Said you feeling free. Is it prophecy fulfillment?
I think that this is just the beginning. Because the prophecies I've given me assure say, yeah, first that many me edikai. Say they are more brontin yet yes. And yeah, on efe. Na inyangosra yo. And in Jessica, in Yamini Huyamo, Bible saying in Inca's way and another so I will hold that and then Yamiase. Whenever I think, sir, I keep talking about Traore, they be a Traore because or you be a penasem, or you be a who said the kuno, a reviver, and ye coup, a salvation, and ye coup. Because even in the Bible, there are places who say, "Answer on beko just aseno, aye ne nyame dia no, nyame mo kwako." Okay. You get me? They fought the king, took over the land, and now the land no, aye nyame dia, emma bibia aye fine. I am believing say, his own is something that was planned by God. His own is something that God himself has determined. Ne dia no e bibia nyame ankasa atro e dia to ho se esesesi ma bokena man no e fa ne ntoma pae den ifra.
Okay.
So I am praying for him. I know say all the prophecies are fulfilling. I know say everything I've said, but this is just the beginning. Say that I said it will go on from now to 2026. And if they will succeed, it will be 2026.
2026?
Yeah.
And some as we said, ultimately, so
succeed.
odi for me bisa say ye share Africa countries na ebi to Gaddafi abra na wo bod homodi mo Libya or boa Libya mai e get to a time na we Libya na ya brand so ya baba wa we school a o andan e dai wo ho adwuma aban adwuma ye fo so me so mo aduane mu sika bibia was okay.
That is it.
Yan Caribbean ship and Africa about Fiba to share Libya so and to Gaddafi. And then you Burkina Faso young guy a one picture. Yeah, Shenema Woyan Burkina initiatives are whatever. Why said Western world or Menu Africa society? A dear no Africa can I say African leaders make us some in Western world and Musabi.
I did about cause say you want to say Africa is the Israel of the world. And to watch in our we are seeing in Africa a development and Africa like if you look at the gold abroad for they don't have the gold, they don't have the diamond, only need the silver. So I say the young crew piano if you are and I'm there young crew. So without Africa they cannot survive, even physically and spiritually. Without Africa they cannot survive. And it always be an person almost share Africa. So I keep saying that the democracy now you want is slavery, not democracy. It's slavery. Yes. It is the agenda say yeah the way every keep you more crumbs. They are taking what belong to you. So they always give us the crumbs. The African they are only the mama their crumbs. Not the Ayamodianka, a bit build them up. This guy, Uko Burkina Faso, from primary to university, free. No school fees. This is Africa. This is Africa.
Yeah.
But Abrofona essay Omope Africa ye. They want to colonize Africa. They are taking everything from Africa. Even in their education, the university they are building, we are paying. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
When they got our gold and our silver and whatever, they call Mukura, they go for free education. Then they tell you they are giving you scholarship. Are you getting me? Go the other time now, somebody was calling me from Burkina Faso. And now I say he's going to show me maybe on my year they are now assembling cars. Cars from Burkina Faso. And he went to the showroom and was showing me now me cars on my year Burkina Faso. I was surprised. All these things. A time is coming. Nobody else Burkina Faso will agree say Otu can come here. Because we'll see factories, we'll see free housing, free hospitals, free schools. What they get to the people?
Recently, a post via NASA news baby and I'm wanting so just France president and said or name Burkina Faso any tracking behind France airline company go to see Burkina Faso and I'm sorry so okay. Men am the group also now do my so wo ma play my higher it's a camera say Burkina Mali nesa countries na around no omo ti ase so mo ne France no and as I say France no said that be any akwane ni abre emwa wo o sign try you turn say o sign abana ba be negotiate and o catch say o declare Burkina as red zone. It is a person was signed back there. On Sanko country, we are seeing as a Burkina Faso red zone. They say a green zone and a red zone. Also says how bold the snake is actually, a idea was that African countries no supports now almost fighting Western world now a bit poor Africa now.
And no, now most African leaders are like they don't have the capacity and the body. They always be an omokoto for the Europe because. Why? Because bond, because IMF, IMF I want to be see mine, want to be see schools, want to be see hospitals. Meanwhile, you have everything here. Are you getting me? You have everything. God has given you Bibia here to develop yourself. It is that boldness, a day that African leaders will be bold and say we no more need the Europeans. We don't need you anymore. We can do it ourselves. You will see Africa you will see a new era of Africa. You will see the development of Africa. You think if every country in Africa, so we are keeping our own gold. If you want the gold, come to our country, come and buy it, bring your dollar here. Ufi said they will just come and dig the gold, take your gold from you and go that way. No. So we need, that is why the other time I was talking to some people and I said, the whole Africa, I think I was talking with one African leader and I said, the whole Africa need to come together and protect Traore. Because we saw Thomas Sankara and we saw their Etono. You said Gaddafi, how Gaddafi was building his own city, building his own country. The white say no. Say Oma eliminating her because they want access, they want what belong to them. You get me? Yeah. So this guy, there is going to be every attempt to overthrow him and assassinate him. The BM to me is a sign because Okasamoka said it will be a continuous thing till 2026. Yeah. A young guy say and I'm making up a one cancer and a new coup, a revival at the mouth of mine. Now attempt now Oka said till 2026 and some bit me succeeding. What will change? Besides we are in a DNA a basic from now to that 2026 no bit me succeeding. I think he need guidance. So be sticky to somebody who can guide him. He will escape the arrow. But we need guidance because that one that is going to get him is going to be an ally. Are you getting me? It's going to be an ally which to escape it will be difficult. Yeah. If he has somebody directing him as a prophet, don't put this one here, take this one there, separate this one, go here, don't go there. He will escape that arrow. Are you getting me? When I gave the prophecy about Traore, Minya called from one of the top hierarchies of the military. When he called me, I said, if you do this and do this and do this, he will escape. Because this one, it was serious. Than all. We know it's serious. So if he can put this, take this person out of it, take this person from your caucus, watch this person very closely, monitor this person. Otherwise, they would have succeeded. They would have succeeded. So that's what I'm saying. So he need that guidance. He need that somebody who will reveal the secret to him. Somebody who will direct him. Somebody who will tell him, do this one, don't do this. If you do this, they will get you. If you go here, they will get you. Because if you can have somebody in your own caucus or another information, echo, even your trips in a month, the route you take and everything, they could have gotten you easy. They could have gotten easy. So as for the coup, I keep saying it. I need to continue till 2026 if they will succeed. But that is what I'm saying, that what we need is to be praying for him. I see I say African leaders are coming together. We should leave this in a coerce thing and whatever. We should put it aside. If you protect Traore, you protect Africa. Because Obebi Africa Fueni it will be the eye opener for every African country to say, oh, so it means we can do it on our own. So it means we don't even need these people. This guy is giving free education without going for loan.
Recently, so I have Burkina Faso tax free.
That is it. Without taking loan, without going to IMF, without going for any bond, without taking any loan from America, from UK, from whatever. No. The own resources of the country. They say we'll see free housing. And they are my name for. Is it loan? No. And we are here, we need loan before we can build hospitals. You hear loan and say it means school. You hear loan and say it means road. Whilst we have more than Burkina Faso. So he's Obi and Yamide never be African. So he need protection. Both spiritually and physically any protection. Say you ever vampire man, guiding no, so that whatever they want to do against him, and when this guy is able to succeed, the revival is going to blow across Africa, especially West Africa, and they are going to say, oh, does it mean we can do it or no? Then everybody will start waking up. Obia will start waking up and say, we don't need you, go to your country, we can do it here. And that will be the change of Africa.
Mohammed Traore Basri, nipa baako as a president baako a yɛn sɛ wɔde ne aiding sa wɔ so paa ɛyɛ John Dramani Mahama Ghana mampin sɛnea wɔka sɛ kwado yɛ de Fatima sɛ Ghana yɛ ɔman a yɛwɔ yɛn ni bebree kora kyɛn Burkina Faso but as a recently no Burkina Faso president ba yɛ nneɛma a wɔyɛ no Burkina hɔ sɛnea wɔka sɛ building houses ne adeɛ initiatives bi a wɔde ɛɛba compared to Ghana say President Mahama ko yɛn nipa bi so abɔ mpae ma ne yie paa ɛna obedi so in the first 100 days, I won't
say everything was perfect, but I would say this is just the beginning. I want to see talk because a lot of things have to be in place, and never be brave, no, because maybe perhaps the past government, there are many things that have to be. Say some year to near my year. Until I say I feel no to near my year. So we can't judge them by what they've done now. We can only judge them after, when they did not do something right. Are you getting me? So, you know, the Indian say, "Papa, umpire, mom." No, I best say, "But they are doing." Or so their mom say, they will be under the guidance of God. Say they be ya. The assessor mo ya, to be nyemo. Nyame won kron kasa be lead you. I direct you. The Bible said, "Pray for the authorities of your nation and for your city, that there will be peace in that country. For if the country prosper, you prosper. In that peace, you also prosper." As I said, he has said here, as men of God, he has said here as prophets. That's why I say, Mahama, the way he's listening, he wants to be a listening government, he should continue. If he is listening to prophets, but not too much prophets, he needs just a voice. I will be here to guide him rightly. Because what different voices are, you'll be confused. What different voices are, you fail. Because you'll be a person proving on. But if you show that this is the voice I want to listen to, this is the person I want to hear. Say there, David, no, what Nathan. Are you getting me? Say that what Nathan, say that Jehoshaphat, no, what Zachariah. I was saying Zachariah, and a baby be on a consulting on say, and that was as long as Jehoshaphat listened to and obeyed the instructions of Zachariah, Bible said he was successful. So you can only be successful when you listen, when you obey, when you follow God. Not their accessible and your message obey with this. That is the only way you can be successful.
Besides that, because again, Mohammed Traore baye no, you who is our action man. Trump baye, you who you were the first hand or your action. Recently, Bishop Samusu. Bonus ye di for Ghana or ye di for Kese. Okay. Baba wants to because Abrana John Dramani Mahama campaign. Nadia Bakwana wobom de reto Ghana for so ye pa 24-hour economy. Yeah. It's a first 100 days CD. It was see who could be so to me enrolling in Apana. At least a who could be so 24-hour economy never pay time. What shall I say what the but as at now yet say I say government now say who see papa tell me compared to na downfall send could be 24 such a million. I mean show the subai. It's not enough for your action money. Now one also the watch be or the buy na 100 days. I call you na you no and you mind this.
I don't think say everything Traore no. He did it within 100 days. Okay. Or take you over from somewhere, and then he built it somewhere. I feel now on no any pace. Are you getting me? I feel now no so no a pick up. Now when we come to John Dramani Mahama and this 24-hour economy thing is something I support so much. 24-hour economy will help the youth, especially when it comes to jobs. But it can't just be implemented like that. There must be policies. You must talk to companies behind the scene. There is a lot of things that must be in place and stand with me a 24-hour economy. there must be security in place. There must be enough security. Are you getting me? There must be enough personnel. If somebody is working 24 hours, so be a Juma Najua, can there be protection? Do we have enough police personnel to be able to protect any company that is working in the night? Are you getting me? Imagine banks are working in the night. Are you getting me? Imagine some cars, maybe a ton cars, maybe a building cars, in the night. Imagine some vital companies are Sika, and war in the night, Melcom in the night, Akramo in the night. Can you just enroll this thing like that? No. There must be policies. There must be arrangement. There must be a lot of things, as I said, everyone in place and son of which me and holy. You can't do 24-hour economy, which has never been before in 100 days. No, it cannot.
What if so come up with the argument say President John Dramani Mahama, why a president pay into the outs and in of this country, and before this policy is so ever back or the Basha manifesto now only what is involved only send your worker say companies be very human and joke only meaning now and who so bit me and what the share policy and I to about the man so at least only say can you now cry and kaka crave say in super town from medical it's a come from money more near was the old 24-hour economy from in a in that's
no for yet dear I'm sure say it will be yet the obey by the timing I did be away wrongly with a wrong foundation, you won't get the results you want. The foundation, Bible said, when the foundation is weak, even the righteous cannot do anything. So everything needs a proper foundation, a proper ground. Until when you have proper ground for what you are doing, and then you jump, you are like somebody who just jumped, build his house on a soil without foundation. The Bible said that house will never hold when they come to stop. The Bible said one takes his time, dig the soil, go down with time, and then begin to lay it. The Bible said that person, when the wind blows, the house standeth firm. If you are in a rush, you won't get the results. You will never get the results. If you really want to get the results, you must take time, build it well, do the right thing, put the right policies in place before you bring it up. Are you getting me? Yes.
Going back to Burkina Faso president, the body pan this gay fine.
Yes.
And no answer the point. Who's to say? Is it safe? Say still making that man or company?
No. I think that there are two instances. In the first instance, he discussed 4 people who are very close to him. They went to him and said, "Mr. President, this is the money given to us. We took the money, we are coming to tell you." Until maybe that one, they were able to settle that one. This one, a close person, was in our line. So every speech after the coup was written. Everything was done. And Sana, they got the intelligence. And the master said, Tracy. And Sana, they find also that person as I'm talking to you has been arrested, with including the allies. So this one, it was a coup that was about to succeed. True speech. The speech they were going to give after the coup. Imagine Traore did not get a caution. Okay. For this one, we all need to come together. Whether men or God, whether whatever, we all need to pray for him. Because he's going to be somebody that will bring a new era to Africa. I'm telling you. Okay. Let Traore survive till 2030 and see what Africa will become.
African leaders want weapon.
It is up to them. Because they want to always go to. But it is going to be a revival, and this revival will compare the leaders, not them to anyone the person by you, but the youth, the nation will rise.
nia ekoso Burkina ye Traore ya kamia se obia ebonidi ewom se oya de pade but eye cool no de bae enti ye the other side so se oye se ase youth na eni je no ho enyi hu African leaders na aka se ene ne ekois okay Burkina Faso kwati mi aye de nya babunu bia ma na sori wasi nya Burkina sibo enti ne se we African leader bi na wo din se hu bia babunu so wet mi asori bi nya ko form water region motu abai ne gunu so ba fa abunya ne dis
yes ebe ye Muhammad odi bone ye de oye papa enye de ogu aman papa but de oye bone ebe ye Muhammad are you getting me because onim se de oye no enye enti emebulu bet mi asori so this is going to put African leaders on their toe me and see say this one rather will put them on their toe says yenye ni ye obi bet mi asori nti ese say tutu ye nyama yi ese you making things right ese you making sure so you don't take the people for granted that is it if you take the people for granted they will rise if you help the people no one will say we are the power why they know so be at the power go to know so unless you are doing something they don't like unless you are not doing the right thing and then Burkina Faso nations and Melbourne Nankasa are fighting Traore. They themselves are fighting for him. They are people are willing to lay down their life for the guy. If he said Wanya the power, and they are calling him the second Sankara, the coming again of Sankara.
Okay.
So for this guy to be compared to Sankara, do you know what it means? Do you know what it means to Burkina Faso? If you know what Sankara means to Burkina Faso, now say we are comparing this guy, Burkina Faso is comparing this guy to Sankara, then you know what he means to Burkina Faso. So this is a wake-up call. It's a wake-up call for Africa and African leaders that you can't take the youth for granted. No, you can't just come to government and choose to do what you want. No.
Cool number, attempt number, woman succeeding. What is the way forward? And then obviously 1 year, and then I'm 1 year. Nimian African leaders, and then I can't tell one, say, Omonia fan supporting, and then so a woman share friend free, no woman, so you find your mom, Maya, a better woman.
They be a maker say, it is only a fool that doesn't learn good. If you see something that is good and you're wise, you learn it. You take it. You find the papa, ni jade e bone. Se nipa na ye cool. One more free education from primary to and also a cool ana. We see free housing. Does it have anything to do with cool? Or the nation tax free. Does it have anything to do with cool? No. So what shows that you cannot learn this from him? Or say no more selling gold in my country. We are keeping the gold. If the wise say they want to buy, they should come to the country, come to the resort and buy it here. So that they bring their money here. We will not be chasing them. Is that also a coup? So we learn what is good as a leader, as African leaders. They must learn the good aspects. Now, so more resources, more than so more resources more than them, more sika more than them, you can do it better. That is why I say Africa must come together. The military of Africa, they must come together, leave everything aside, and protect Traore.
Then 3 days. I say, the mutual say a Rambo style of government. It means to say a abuse of power from the NDC side. Near course what's Hamali teaching hospital. Yeah, honorable Pamela Kando or your health minister. Which now so AEC or that teaching hospital and we in it because a name because of hospital was to say uncle ye into which now so a bit dress a year. No, yeah, why are they? A Burma government institutions now account, they will be on their toes and work. If you just there be as a abuse of power and a will you soon. Send your NDC a buy ye your channel national security for Kofia, Yakofa way, Yapamu way, no, who's to say Papua?
Yes, I think people were ignorant about what the MPP did. If you hear any money, grand MP before the national security for cheese, yeah, any money. Just prophecy. Yeah, any money. But now they were chasing with national security. No, sorry. Are you getting me? These ones, there was something purporting. If somebody is incompetent when they do them, do you have to keep the person? Do you want us to just look and watch so that the person will be messing up lives? Mind you, but this place you are talking about is a hospital where people's lives is at stake. You can't mess up. It is what the papa will he stand the person? Okoye no kumu de ya and okumu de papa will he stand the person? It means the okumu ye. It's mean the okumu ye papa. And you want him to laugh? Even me, I'm a pastor. If you're working with me and you're incompetent, I won't work with you. Yes. We are building a nation, not people. And your mind is actually, or mind is in your pen, and you need power. And this also way, the person did not do something right. And we feel said this guy, the minister feels said this guy is doing the wrong thing, not helping the hospital. You want him to be there?
If people say empo or ye near minister nekasa or ye nas be in the dear process of all the before. And minister also call on and come also. And now we are minister point and your private institution one and your government institution one like public press.
Yes.
And to say baby I'm pursue ye or what. And yes, see when the bottom scan was all the one funding to be national cassa one yard. And ye are burning was any free but on one say me yaduma. I didn't be nipple. I didn't also use a bindi when you are not a yama. And a buying and even also provided them hospitals and a buying Casano and providing the money from our hospitals.
If you are, I have a business as a man of God. If there's something you think you are the manager of the business, why are you the manager? Should I come and manage it myself? Why did I put you there?
Because it makes me a it.
That is it. Say the bay as a baby cosuna and kuya. One necessary one necessary case umihia dewe. One necessary a case mihia adewe. Adewe say who should do that?
Whereby a minister also I admit say after so address the president say on several sittings our parliament and on Martina who say and yema back you and cost ye Tamale Teaching Hospital.
Then it means that the person that wasn't doing something right. If you maybe I make say if you need a change, you must change. Don't keep the same person and expect a change. So when here changer, then something must change. That is why me, even I feel like whether you are a minister, whether you are, they shouldn't keep you there for 4 years. They should reshuffle. Because the moment you remain there for long, you will start messing up. Now, with this, a big key to people on their toe. It will keep people on their toe. Well, when somebody is saying, they are going to people's houses, they are. If these people has not done anything wrong, I don't think anybody will come to their house. Did somebody come to our house?
No.
Did somebody come and ramble us?
No.
Did you see national security in your house?
No.
Did you see DNA in your house?
No.
Because you have not done anything. These people that who say national security it means there was something that they did not do well. It means there was something that needed attention. And they needed to be cautionful. And they needed to answer. So they have to call them to come and answer. Now what would you feel about the police in Becho? Will you say the police is reckless? Why the Bonana police are Becho? Will you say the police is reckless?
Say they also why born. Where human warrior academy ni ho.
No, as another Sunday day we are talking about the people where you say they go to people's houses and all that. Because they've done something wrong. Anything I make us say, in MPP time, you're not young young bonnet. You're near Bam, you're near Bicycle. You're the ass of Fujuman here. Were they not chasing us with national security? Yes. Because we are prophesied. Were they not? Were they not? Were they not? You know, chasing us here and there. Who can abuse power more than MPP? And see, for that aspect, I leave them there, they are politicians. Let them do their work. Whatever they want to do. When they come to God, when they come to instruction, when they come to direction, I'll give it to them. But when they come to Ubia Koyibibi, because the person didn't do something right. Because I don't think I'll come and meet you doing the right thing and you'll be sacked. We will be the boss and cousin say, call you no account that. We won't be there. No. They rather increase your salary. To keep you, they rather do everything to keep you. So it's because something wasn't right.
Finally, minority at the statement I want to say, health minister on sign fair see you back not with apology, no sign natural because the crowd of us you in one in doctors and so town teaching hospital so at the Monadia before settle says see you the sign
that is for them. As for the minority one, I think say and there's any one ever they are buying it. Were they not the same people that just left government? Yes. Didn't we see them?
Before I said didn't we see them? Then
didn't we see them? Didn't you see what they can do? But they're not the same people. And are different in our kind. Are they different people?
NPP,
it's not the same NPP.
Yeah.
Yes. And then when they feel buying for say you need more money. Have we not seen them in this country? Have we not seen how reckless they've been, how they've sacked people, how arrogant they've been, what they've done? Have we not seen it? And they will win here, but can't you be saying media? This is why when I talk, they say maybe you don't like the MPP, maybe you don't. But they've forgotten to have MPP in parliament, have sons who are MPP MPs in parliament. I tell them, your government was careless. I tell them. You pay we or no, and no me or Kuroma. So that's it. You pay we or no ne crew to or me amount. You won't pay we never pump out. Say the bear when I'm a bed and the pro. So when we are hard on them, it's because of something. Yes. So let's not. You see, we everybody is saying whatever. We can't wait. It is a government, a new government that came to power. There's a lot of things they have to put right. And never be bro. I say so much to me here. Let's just give them the benefit of the doubt. Let them do whatever they want to do. Let's pray for them. If they are going forward and they are not good, we can hold them responsible.
Yeah, we say when you find communities, we are different. Sharing this book.
Yeah.
And we buy.
Yeah.
First 100 days.
Yeah.
Be honest.
Yeah.
Or would you must win?
For me, I'm okay.
With this first 100
days.
Okay. You find out.
I'm okay.
Before final words.
Well, what I was saying is that if you are sitting, you cannot get it right all the time. Sometimes you get it right, sometimes you get it wrong. That is why as a human being, you have to know that you cannot be right all the time. That is why we have correction. Say when they correct you, you know that, oh, I should have done it this way. I should have not gone that way. So everybody in life, have it in mind that there is no way you can get the 100% all the time. So learn to take correction, learn to take advice, learn to take counsel. So if the NDC government will learn to take correction, if they will learn to take advice, if they will learn to take counsel, they will do whatever God wants them to do.
Abusia yene prophet Bosheba and a edge na ne nsɛm a wɔka yi ne mafa no mose suase etufo a wɔbɛte. Bisi wiase wɔ hina wontie futu na ntoma ta kokɔ bi e wo bedwam.